story. You would have more accept my appreciate them glory. Real. We smile, we ball, we rise.
Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. So today's video I will be making brown stew fish, guys. I'll be showing you guys how I make my brown stew fish. Before you guys go into this video, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. Tell a friend to tell a friend about Life with Corgudas. Yes guys, as you can see, I have my fish here in the vinegar water. I'm not gonna keep it in there too long because you know when the vinegar go on the fish it gets a little soft. So I'm about to throw off the water off my fish, and then I'm gonna rewash it again, dry them, and then I'm gonna go by seasoning. So yes guys, you can see I have my bowl here and I'm going to combine all my seasoning together. I'm gonna start with some salt, you know, and then I'm using some soul food seasoning, as you can see right here. Yes guys, I'm using a little. I have some fish seasoning here, guys, you know. Then I have some garlic powder. Then I have some Cajun seasoning. And guys, please do not comment and say that's not how brown stew fish is made. This is how I make mine, okay? Yes, this is how I make mine, not how you make yours. So let me put that disclaimer out. Black pepper, of course, I have to use black pepper on my fish. You cannot do fish without my black pepper, I'm being honest. I like a little cayenne pepper. If you don't know, cayenne pepper is good for the body. Yes, people. Hold on, grandmother. And then after the cayenne pepper, I'm going to use some ginger powder. Guys, do y'all know that ginger is very nice in fish? If you don't know, y'all need to try it. You know? Y'all need to try it. Something does my mom laugh. Lord Jesus. And don't forget another boy's skin. So yes, I'm crazy here, okay? You're not have to stay with me. So yes guys, I'm going to season my fish. I'm going to season my dry this water right here. So you know we don't want to water. And all these things. Okay, so I'm going to, these are the fish that I'm working with. It's some Brazil something, but it tastes real good. Tastes real good, guys, real good. You know, see a little scale right there. So I have all my seasoning combined right here, guys, and I'm about to put I think this needs some more black pepper because black pepper is essential in a fish, you know. Hey guys, guess what? You see when I used to do foods class and we're doing fish, the only powder seasoning we could use was salt and black pepper. That was the only two powder seasoning that we could have used. And then everything have to be natural seasoning. We couldn't use no fish seasoning, none of those. None of those. So I'm gonna go buy season these fish, right? So I'm going here, and don't ask why I'm not using no gloves. I'm cooking home. You understand? I don't need a gloves to cook home. You see me? Rub up the fish. Don't be afraid to put the season on the fish, man. Come on, someone afraid to put season on the fish, you know. You know? Guys, these are not going to, I'm not gonna put them to marinate. I'm being honest to you guys. You know, I'm not gonna put these to marinate because trust me, when we season them, I'm gonna take the seasoning. You see me? Yeah, make sure, don't be afraid to season fish. Don't be afraid. Remember, some of these fish hard to take the seasoning. You want to get that nice taste there. So not afraid to put season pan your fish. Okay? I am finished seasoning my fish. You can see here, this is the bowl that it was in. Fish season here, and I have my oil. It's almost ready. I'm going to drop a pepper in there. You know so when I fry chicken or fish, I always put a pepper in there. It's not gonna make the fish pepper or the chicken pepper. But it's just put the pepper in the pot. But because the pepper is very cold, I just keep my pepper in the freezer. Because it lasts long in the freezer, so that's the reason why it's going like that. You see the one with a bag of things and the show off itself? Because the ice is in the pepper. Who can dance right now? This is the dancing chef. Guys, I'm going to drop the fish into the pot. Pray for me if I get burned. It actually just burned me. It actually just burned me. Let me show you what's going on there. So you see there, guys? That is my fish. That is what's going on there. In my Trinidad accent. Meanwhile, the fish them are fried. I'm gonna go and get these stuff together. My onion, bell peppers, my carrots. So yes guys, I'm gonna get these. I have my thyme, and of course I'm gonna get the pepper from the fridge and the garlic. You know, I'm gonna use the minced garlic. So guys, this is what I'm talking about. I'm going to use along with the pepper. So I'm gonna get this together, then I'll be back with you guys very shortly, okay? If you have reached this far in this video and you haven't subscribed, you need to, okay? Just click that subscribe button on. So guys, you can see I'm cutting my stuff. I got my onions here. Gotta get these things together, guys. Don't wait for the fish done fry. Let me show you guys the fish. What's going on in the pot? The fish right here. As you can see, I just turned them. You know. So guys, I'm cutting up these stuff. Guys, I don't know why I love using chopper to cut up stuff, because it just feels so handy. I don't know about you guys, but for me, it's, oh Lord, I love using my chopper. It's just so easy. It makes the work so easy. You know? Guys, remember to subscribe. Tell a friend about Life with Curry Gooders. You know? Yes, guys. We want to reach 500 subs by this weekend. I think I need 14 more to reach 500. That's my goal. You know, every week I have a goal, I'm going to set it. You know? Yeah. So that's my goal for this week. To reach 500. Cutting up my carrots, guys. You know? If you don't know how to do this, mind you cut your finger. I'll be back. So guys, I'm almost finished cutting these seasoning. I'm on the bell pepper. Almost finished. Yes guys, this is very quick and easy. Very quick and easy. You don't know so fish not take long to prepare. Anybody know how to look about fish, they know so that is very easy. And this is going to eat with some rice. I already cooked the rice already, you know, but I'm just showing you guys how to make the fish. And I actually did some white rice into the rice cooker. Yes, I did some white rice into the rice cooker. So yes guys, I'm gonna go by cutting the pepper. I'm gonna use too much because I don't want it to be spicy. It's very icy though. It's very icy, so I'm gonna cut up my pepper. So put my pepper there. So guys, as you can see right here, I got my seasoning. I don't get my seasoning. So I'm gonna throw it. Well, you guys gonna see what's gonna go on. You know, this is going to be so delicious. I'm gonna eat this with rice, and I already prepared my rice. Some white rice. Your body and your breast. China. Guys, I'm almost finished. Just waiting on these fish to finish. Then I have one more to fry. You know. Then I'm gonna go to the cook down process. Then I'm gonna have some, you know what I mean? As soon as I finish, I'm going to edit this video and post it. I want to do a cooking vlog every day this week. And then I need you guys to subscribe. Don't only watch the video, please to subscribe these in. This is the carrot and the potato. Guys, I start off with my carrot and potato. You know? I'm gonna make the fry up a little. Look at this, guys. Put this minced garlic into the pot. Because more of that flavor. Want it fried because it gives a little flavor. So yes guys, these potatoes, they are almost cooked. So guess what? I am going to put some water. As you see, I just boil the water in the microwave. You can boil my soul whichever way. That's how I do it because I want it to tenderize. When I put the warm water on these, it tenderizes very fast. So guys, I put the warm water on it. I'm going to stir it. I'm going to cover it up so it will boil up a little. Then I'm going to put my ketchup and stuff. You know, these are going to go in last. Okay, don't want them to mash out. You can see the carrot and the thyme and the potato. The water boiled up. Everything is... My battery is low, guys. So I'm going to go quick. So I'm going to go by putting my ketchup to catch the body. I add the ketchup there and I'm going to wait for the sauce to boil down a little before I drop my fish into the pot. Guys, as you can see my sauce here, and I'm about to drop the fish in right now. I'm going to go by place this fish into the sauce. You know? So yes guys, I set my fish in here. And after 5 minutes, I'm going to put in my bell pepper and my onion. So look at it guys. This is going to be so delicious. I say 5 minutes, then I'm going to throw in these. So you don't want the fish to overcook, you know. Remember that. Yeah, you don't want the fish to overcook. And you know these things are easy to cook, so you know. Leave it right here. Go and simmer, and then I'm just giving this 5 more minutes, then I'm gonna turn it off. So stay tuned guys for the finishing product. So yes guys, as you can see, that's the finishing product of the fish, and I am about to share it out into the plate to be displayed. Hope you guys enjoying this video. If you guys reached this far in this video and haven't subscribed, please to do so. Please to like, share, comment, tell a friend about life with Corey Goodaz. Bye guys, I am out.